The culmination of months of dedication, crafted from the finest yak wool, defining a new standard of luxury here at Factory.
Hey-ya, hey-ya, move along! Put that in the grade A section, please.
Right away. We need more empty bags at Station 3. Watch the forklift.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, bring the first pallet down slowly. We need to scan the tags before it goes to storage.
Copy that. Moving it now.
Clear the bay, coming through. All right, stack it tight.
Look at the crimp on this section, it's superb. Yeah. Yes, the elasticity is exactly what we need for the high-end textiles.
The purification process seems highly effective. Look at the fiber integrity.
Yes, the yield on this batch is exceptional.
-35°C, right on target.
Excellent, the fibers look perfect.
The fiber alignment on this batch is exceptional. Confirmed, the tensile strength readings are holding steady at target levels.
Sample 22, the tensile strength is 125.5 newtons. Confirmed. Data logged. Here at the Factory, hundreds of needles work in unison to create this exceptionally soft yak wool fabric.
The finished yak wool fabric is automatically wound onto these massive cylinders, ensuring consistent quality and texture.
Check the alignment on Sector 3.
Looks precise. The yak wool is feeding perfectly. At the Factory, our artisans meticulously shape the finest yak wool. This careful hand molding.
Using specialized tools, the premium leather handles are secured to the finest yak wool, a testament to our commitment to luxury. Using specialized steam techniques, our artisans gently coax the fibers, removing any trace of a wrinkle while perfecting the silhouette.
The collar alignment is precise, and the seam integration here is flawless under the light. This yak wool collection is exceeding expectations. The softness is unmatched. Yeah, and the leather on the bags is exquisite.
The stitching on this yak wool jacket is perfect. Handles checked.
Yes, the shape retention is excellent. Hardware is secure.